All right, we're going to look at all three verses here. We'll finish out this lesson. 114. Hos tekna hupakoes me su schematizamenoi tais proteron in te agnoia, humon epithumiais. 15. Allah kata tan kale santa humas hagion kai autoi hagioi in passe anastrophe. And I got to move this down a little bit. Genethete. And the last verse, diati gegraptai hagioi este hoti ego hagiois. Okay, so let's look at 14, and we see, well, we need to do our translation first. So let's do this. So let me go up here and get the yellow pen. So, as children, as children of obedience, or as of obedient children, do not be molded to the former, actually we'll go down and pick up lusts, former lusts in ignorance, in your ignorance. But in other words, which was you committed in your ignorance. And 15, but according to the Holy One, pick up Holy One who called you. Also, you yourselves be holy in every anastrophe way of life. Okay? Then last of all, because as it is written, you shall be holy because I am holy. All right. So let's look at these and see what we have here. Okay. In verse 14, we have the negative, of course. So do not be conformed. It is a present, middle, or passive participle, nominative masculine plural, from suskematizo. So what we have here is, let's put in the form sus. No augment, of course, because it's participle. Suske matidzo, matids. Okay. Now what you're going to do then is simply add the connecting vowel plus the participle marker and the case ending. So that's how we get that. Pretty straightforward adverbial participle. Okay. So do not be conformed. Okay. Then 15, we have another participle here, and we have the article. So you know that you translate that. The let's see. Why don't we go ahead and locate that? Aorist active participle, accusative, masculine, singular, and it's put together using the stem plus the sigma alpha, which is the tense marker, and the new tau, plus the alpha for the case ending. Then we have ginomai, which is an aorist passive imperative, second plural, and you form this, it's from ginomai, but you see how this is formed here. You take the stem, the aorist stem, plus eta, and this is, eta is uniquely inserted here on this form. So It's just the way it's done. Then you bring in the passive passive theta eta, and then the tau epsilon. Okay, and then the last word is gegroptai, is from grapho. It has been written, and this is a perfect passive indicative third singular. So you have, how do you get this form? You take the reduplication, and then you add the stem, which is graph. Now what's happening here, you've got a phi, and you're bringing it up against a tau, and that is going to change to a pi tau. Okay, so you have graptai. So put your pi tau and then plus the ending. Now your AME at the end, that's pretty straightforward. That's a future of AME, and so you'll know about that one. And then the last AME is implied. Be holy because I am holy. Okay, so you imply and insert the verb there. Okay.